I know this sounds crazy, but I'm getting a haircut. I don't know, I feel like it's the beginning of the year. I want to introduce like new energy, new vibes, and honestly, this is great. This is beautiful, but I want to be giving like a vibe. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, kind of like sophisticated maybe. I don't really know what I'm looking for, but I have the best hairstylist because guys, she listens. I can tell her any switch up and she gets it to the T. I literally called the salon this morning. They open at 10. I called at 10. I want to say 10:14. I was like, listen, I need a haircut. You think Sandra can fit me in? Like, when do you want to come in? I was like, as soon as possible. It's like she has a 2:30. So 1:30. Okay, I have 1 hour to go get this dream haircut. This is spontaneous, but honestly, hair needs to be fun, you know? My hair grows really fast. All the products that I use always stimulating hair growth, so I think we're gonna be fine. I want it to be fun. I don't really dye my hair. I haven't dyed my hair in like over a decade. This is my natural hair color. My bangs are all grown out, kind of losing volume up here. Like, my curls are popping, obviously, because I take care of my hair. I just need more. Okay, I just need more. So I'm thinking something along the lines, just like short, chic, a diagonal forward. I think it's gonna be so good. I honestly think it's gonna look so cute. I don't know if I'm delusional or if I'm excited. I can't really tell, but I just want some like spiciness to the haircut. Some days I want to try to like wave it down so kind of like stretch my curl, or maybe like a cute little blowout. I just want to switch things up, just try new hair things this year. I feel like last year my hair was curly every single day. It was super healthy, really cute, really healthy, really curly, but I want to give pictures, photos. I want to get images, you know? And this extraness right here has got to go. So we'll see what Sandra says. We'll see. It takes me about 45 to an hour to get there, and I have an hour, so
If you do that.
it's like most of my hair in the back.
Telemarketer. Beautiful, but
It's intense.
that's after being plowed.
So
If you're walking and those fall on you, you're all done for. You're done for, yeah. Plus this is curlier, so once this curls up, it's gonna match that.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Isn't that cute?
I love it.
Bump it up a little more. Get the party going on the dance floor. See, cause that's where the party's at. And you find out if you do that.
That's the type I am. A little more. There we go. But there's that side.
Yes.
And I brought these back to it. Okay.
Yes. I love that.
You want product, or are you gonna go home and do product?
I think I'm gonna go home and do it.
That's just trying different.
Yeah. Ooh. I love it. I love
One
it.
more, and then I have to go to my chiropractor.
It's okay. They'll be back.
Yeah, within a few months.
We're back. It's definitely the next day, but things got crazy when I got home. I had to go to a workout, make dinner, you know how it is. This is definitely the shortest that I've gone in a while. Like I have no length. It's just layers and I love it. I have to get ready for an audition and head out, so I was thinking of filming my new curly hair routine. So I love this product, but it does make my hair curlier. I just feel like this and my curls go like this, okay? I'm thinking of going with Riso curls today. I also get a longer wear with Riso curls. Like, I can hit 5 days. Riso curls is amazing. I don't want it to be super short. Like, I just want to be able to see my cut and my length. That's why I don't want to make it super curly. We're just gonna vibe. This is my first time styling and curling my hair, so we're just gonna vibe. I'm not gonna freak out because I actually really like it. I'm into it. This is a brand new bottle, so bear with me. Stuff like that. Go ahead and just work in two. So I'm dividing my hair into 2 sections. This is just gonna be such a quick routine. I'm loving this already. I'm just gonna put a little bit more on this side, and then I'm gonna move on to the next side. I'm gonna use a little less on this side because I have a little less hair on this side. Like, I love. But I do have to head out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like content like this, have any questions, you can always slide in my Instagram DMs. Yeah, if you guys have any question on hair, skin, nails, whatever. Probably not nails, but hair and skin, I got you. It's literally perfect. I'm so happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and getting a spontaneous haircut with me.